Hello my friends, Stephanie Barnard, the Stamps of Life, and guess what? I have some amazing products to share with you today, and one is for those of you that like the bigger cards. So if you're a 5x7 lover, you are going to be excited. And if you like fold-its, you're going to be even more excited because, are you ready? Get set. Look at this. I have a 5x7 Deckle Edge card base. Now, not only is it Deckle Edge card base 5x7, yes, it does require a larger machine. It can't do a 6-inch machine because it's 5x7, it's bigger, right? But look at all the words I fit in there. What? I know. Okay, so you have good luck. Let me just do them separate. So, good luck, soon, you too, you way, go this, see, get. So it's like, see you soon. You, let's see, oh gosh, you know what? Let's just look at the card bases. Okay, but wait, there's more. Ready? I really rushed these. I rushed these so much. My packaging is not even real. That's how much I rushed these. I wanted to get these folded in your hands in time for Easter. I used these for my baby's farm party for their 3rd birthday, and look, can you believe they're already 3? I know, me either. Okay, there's a sheep and a chick, and it's a bundle. So what does bundle mean? You save more money, just saying. I also release, and I know words don't look like anything, but let me just show you this because this is going to give you an idea. 3 drop-in words that have rectangles around them. So there's thanks, so it drops in, meaning if you use the outside die, it's gonna drop out and look like this, right? But if you use the inside die only, it's gonna stay in your card, or it would stay in your card like this one, or stay in your card like this one. So fun. So with the die, you could do this, with the outside die, so, or you could do this. But with just, are you ready? I'm gonna knock your socks off. Sit down. Sit down if you're standing up. Or you could do something like this. Let's just take a moment. Look at that. Look at that. Is that gorgeous or what? Thanks, thanks, thanks. Yes, you're running it through quite a few times, but look at how stunning this is. Who did this one? I don't have a name on the back. Oh, it's Cheryl because there's 3D inks. Look at that. Is that stunning or what? Love it, just saying. Or you could go even a step further and do this. Wait, how do you do that, right? What? Hang on. So instead of using these 2 dies together, you are gonna take that inside die, you're gonna take a different die. So this one, I'm using my rectangles, my scalloped rectangles, dropping that in there, running them through at the same time, and then I'm gonna get this. Absolutely amazing. I know, I love it. Okay, now I have another thing to show you. I have lots of samples. Oh, I have so much to show you. Now you can also make little gift cards. Look at these. Let's open these up. So I know some of us have friends that don't craft, don't paper craft, don't make cards. I know. How can they even be our friends, right? Well, they still are because we love them. But you can make them a little, look at this, thanks. You can make them a little set of cards as a gift so they can give them out. Look how cute those are. Aren't those little guys? Look at our little gnomies. They're so cute. Okay, or you could do a gift set like this. Let's open this one up. Oh, I love opening these. And you know who gets to get these? My mom gets some of these. She loves them because she doesn't craft. I know, I don't know how I came out of her body. Okay, so look at that. Congrats, miss you. Wait, and thanks. Gorgeous, right? Gorgeous. Look at that. It's amazing. It's amazing. Okay, moving on because I still have more to show you. We're also releasing this die. It's a card front called Choose Joy. Now, when I did it, I designed it so look, you could use the negative. So it's kind of like the drop-ins. That is, look at that. Just choose. It says Choose Joy. Or you could add the colors back in. So choose is one word and joy is really easy because it's just 3 letters, 3 big letters. Look at how gorgeous those are. Isn't that amazing? I know, each and every one. Oh, or You could just use them separately. Choose joy. Or you could do it on a card like this. I know, so fun. Or doesn't even have to be a square card. You can do a stand-up card. Look at that. Put that on a stand-up card. So adorable, right? You could drop that in, die cut it, and then run it through with a scalloped circle. I know, all these drop-in options are so fun because then you can just do so many different things. Now, more to show you. Let's look at our Deckle Edge 5x7. Remember, I talked about that at the beginning. Look at how gorgeous that is. You are the best mom. Happy Mother's Day. Thank you for being such a great mom. Okay, Miss Linda, I wish your stamp wasn't on the back here because I would give that to my mom. Look how gorgeous that is. Isn't that adorable? Or good luck, because look, it comes with those big words, good luck. Isn't that fun? It also comes with the words, you got this. Way to go. Look at that. Here's another one. You got this. So fun. Aren't those awesome? Those words are so nice and large, bold and in charge. Okay, time to look at our little farm guys. Are you ready? These little guys, these little critters are so stinking adorable. Here's another one. Now they are A2 in size, but yes, you can use them on slim lines if you want to. Yes, you can add other pieces to them if you want to. Look at this. Or here's the little chick, so cute, happy male. Look at the cute little flowers. Oh, or put them on an A2 size card. Look at that. So you can see now why I really wanted you to get these, because these two animals especially are perfect for Easter. Perfect for farm, but also perfect for Easter. So I wanted to get them, and perfect for spring. I wanted to get them to you before Easter was over. So look at this. Today is your day, and spring. Perfect. Oh, or look at that. Isn't that adorable? Look at that cute little hat, the umbrella. Or look how cute this one is. Wish big. Here's another cute one ready to go. And of course, it makes a card. Now, of course, oh, I already showed you this one, but you got to show it again because I love it. The fence. You guys, I'm telling you, I show you the fence at least once a month, right? We use the fence all the time. I love it. Now, of course, Michelle made stuffies. Perfect for our little farm theme. Look at these stuffies. My kids love these so much. They're just so adorable. Make cute little gifts as well. Yes, our dies cut wool felt. We have it on our website. Club members, you know the deal. You're getting a club discount on all of these products. If you're not in the club, you're missing out on 15 to 20% off every single item off of our entire website, no exclusions, including classes, machines, everything. It's amazing, right? If you're not in the club, go to our website, click on join the club. If you want to start slow, just join the stamp club. You get a brand new stamp set. Our stamps are made in the United States, by the way. Brand new stamp set sent to your door every month automatically for only $13.99. Can you believe that? No extra shipping. If there's tax if you need to pay tax in your state, then we have to add the tax, but no shipping on top of that. Amazing. Now, if you join the Stamp Club or any of our amazing clubs, not only do you get a 15% discount off of the entire website, or 20, depending on which clubs you're in. You also get club points that you can use for other items. You can purchase items. Every month we give you club points, and every purchase gets you club points, and you get anniversary gift certificates, and you get freebies every couple months. We have so much fun. Go to our website, thestampsoflife.com. You're gonna love it, and you know what? Get in on these quick, because the first couple minutes they're released, minutes, hours, we have them on flash sale. What? I know. Go check it out. Stampsoflife.com. I'll see you there. Bye-bye.